With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, in this question we are going to look after Tyndall effect is more effectively shown by which of the following. So let's consider the option given: true solution, lyophilic colloids, lyophobic colloids, and suspension. So this true solution is not going to show Tyndall effect. Why? Because there is going to be no scattering of light in the true solution. Particles is going to be an homogeneous mixture. So this is not going to show So before considering other condition, let's understand the phenomena given. So this is we have taken solution in the beaker, and over from one side we are going to pass the light. So this is basically the light source which is being, and over here we are using a convergent light and it is being passed through the solution. Now what happened here? One screen is being placed. Now when we are going to look this scattering of particle from the 90-degree angle, we are going to look, it is being forming like a cone. So cone shape will be found, which is known as the Tyndall cone, and this is because of scattering of light by the particles. So what happened? Actually, when the light hits the particles of comparable size, which is equal to the certain condition which we are going to discuss after that, it's going to show the deflection of the light. So when light is being deflected by that particle is visible to us. So that's what the Tyndall effect is. The visibility of the smaller particles by the divergence of the light is known as the Tyndall effect. So let's mention the two important conditions for Tyndall effect. The diameter of the dispersed particle is not much smaller than the wavelength of the light used. So I'm writing diameter must not be much smaller as compared to wavelength of light used. Wavelength of light used. So this is the first condition. And secondly, second point says that the refractive indices of the dispersed phase and the dispersed medium of the dispersed phase and dispersion medium should be differ larger in magnitude, or we can say greatly, must differ greatly in magnitude. So these are the two conditions which are required to show the Tyndall effect, or what called as the scattering of the particles by the light. Over here, solution is not going to show, suspension is going to show. Now we are going to decide on the basis of more effectively which is showing. So it's going to be our lyophobic. So this lyophobic is going to show more effectively. Why? Because in other two conditions, lyophilic and suspension condition, there is going to be shown little Tyndall effect, but the difference between their refractive indexes is not much greatly. But we need to find for the most effective. So it's going to be lyophobic, where the difference of the indices of the dispersed phase to the dispersion medium is going to be largely differ. So it's going to be maximum shown by the lyophobic colloids. So the reason is very simple. Why? Because in lyophobic salts, the lyophobic colloids are not much solvated. They are going to be liquid hitting. So they are going to be not more dissolved in the solvent. So they are going to be giving more scattering of light. So they are going to show large or more effective Tyndall effect. So option C is the correct answer.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.